Hi, we are RNDIA India Times and we are at 101 Festival with the masterminds of the event. So let me just ask them, how is it raising a permanent benchmark? This is Sarthak, this is Nikunj, and that is Ankit. So first I really want to know why 101?
The name comes because we are curating something which is one of a kind, and this is one of the best experiences that you can experience in Delhi NCR today.
Why?
So this is first of all an indoor event, 60,000 massive venue which we have booked at a very prime location. We are maintaining the AQI and we have done a lot of things. There is a whole new German lighting system which we have got all the way from Germany, which will happen for the first time in India. We have female zones. We have focused on every inch of it so that it's an international experience which people get in India now.
So when you talk about female zones, so are you saying that female security taken into consideration?
Yeah, 100%. We have approximately 35 female security officers just for the female.
Why Axwell?
From Gen Zs to millennials to our age group, everybody can connect to the Axwell and everybody has listened to his songs and everybody can vibe to him.
So is this the first edition of 101?
Yes, this is the first edition of 101. We wanted to bring the OG crowd to the festival.
So I'm curious, is the second edition gonna be 102?
No, it's going to be 101. Our goal is to curate beautiful experiences for our audience.
How much time did you guys invest in this for the preparation of just 101 festival? How many sleepless nights did you guys have?
8 months of sleepless nights have been gone to just plan this festival.
8 months, oh my
8
god.
months, and we'll be moving around in India for sure, getting this premiumness, this luxury to everyone.
One message that you want to give out to, why should they attend this?
We want the people to come and experience the luxury, to have a look at the venue, the beautiful production, the sound.
So I feel that there are moments and then there is 101 festival. So what are you guys waiting for?
We need the drinks and the music.